Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to jumpstart your Subaru Forester. First, prioritize safety by gathering essential gear such as gloves and eye protection. Make sure both vehicles are completely turned off and in park or neutral. It is crucial to turn off all accessories, like lights and radio, in both cars to prevent any electrical surges. Finally, position the vehicles close enough for the cables to reach, but ensure they are not touching each other. Now, let's connect the positive cables. Take one red clamp and securely attach it to the positive terminal of your dead Subaru Forester's battery. This terminal is usually marked with a plus sign. Next, connect the other red clamp to the positive terminal of the good battery. Double-check that both red connections are firm and free from any corrosion to ensure a proper electrical flow between the vehicles. For the negative connections, take one black clamp and attach it firmly to the negative terminal of the good battery. This terminal is typically marked with a minus sign. Now, for the crucial step, connect the other black clamp to an unpainted metal surface on the dead Subaru Forester's engine block or chassis, away from the battery. This creates a safe ground connection, minimizing the risk of sparks near the battery. With all cables connected, start the good vehicle and let its engine run for about 5 minutes. This allows the good battery to transfer some charge to the dead one. After 5 minutes, try starting your Subaru Forester. Once it starts, carefully disconnect the cables in the exact reverse order. First the black clamp from the Forester's engine, then the black from the good battery, followed by the red from the good battery, and finally the red from the Forester. Drive for at least 20 minutes to fully recharge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.